Hi there, my name is Andrew from ATR Plumbing and Heating, and this is my review of the QUIKCORE Starter Kit set. Okay, so in the set you receive your core adapter, your drill adapter, and you remove your pin to keep it in place, and your core removal kit. So this is my normal setup for a core drill. You would tighten these together, but the problem is after you've been coring for a while, these tend to bind together and they're very hard to get apart. You often have to use two spanners, stand on it, all kinds of things. So with this set, it's a lot easier, and as I say, you have your adapter which goes into the core bit, and then this locks in place. You line up the holes, and then the pin goes through, and then your normal adapter would just go into this. And the good thing about this is it works with all my kit, like my extension bars, different adapters and things, so it retrofits everything. And the other good thing about it, which I noticed, with this extra piece here, my core is now 300mm, so it'll go through a standard 300mm block wall, which is quite handy. So what I'll probably do, this is my most common core bit, it's 4.5 inch for flues and soil pipes, so I'll keep that in there, and then I'll probably get another one for like my 1.5 inch, which is the second most common one I use. So again, that can stay in there. Yeah, good kit, I like it. Definitely be used a lot. And the other thing comes with, as I say, is the core removal tool, which is really good, because normally to get a core out, you'd have to use like you'd be banging it down, hitting it with a hammer, using like a flathead or a chisel, and that can be a nightmare as well. But this tool here, this rod here, will push out the core. So you put it there, hit your core, and then hit it with a hammer, and then that will just push your core out. So yeah, all in all, it's a really good kit. Spot on.